Hello and welcome back to the channel. So now in this video I bring you the depressing though not surprising news that Nigeria is the sixth most miserable country in the world. So that's right, it's official. Nigeria is the sixth most miserable country in the world. A lot of Nigerians will tell you that it's actually the most miserable country in the world, but according to statistics it's actually the official sixth most miserable country in the world. So let me bring it to you. Nigeria ranks sixth miserable country in the world, the headline says. The recently published report by Steve Hanke, an economist from George Hopkins University in Baltimore, United States, listed Nigeria, Venezuela, Iran, Brazil, and others amongst the top 10 most miserable countries in the world. According to the report, Venezuela was listed as the most miserable country in the world. Reacting to this, Hanke said, Venezuela holds the inglorious title of the most miserable country in the world in 2018, as it did in 2017, 2016, and 2015. However, Argentina jumped up to number 2 spot after yet another peso crisis. Since its founding, Argentina has been burdened with numerous economic crises. Most can be laid at the feet of the domestic mismanagement and currency problems. Iran took third in the ranking before Brazil, that made it to the 4th position. Turkey took the 5th position as the giant of Africa, Nigeria, emerged 6th. The misery index was calculated using economic indices, including unemployment, inflation, and bank lending rates. For Nigeria, unemployment rate was the major contributing factor to its misery state. This is according to the chap that now wrote this latest report. My modified well, it goes on and on. I'm just going to see if I can see any more to say with Nigeria. But the upshot of this really is that Nigeria is now the 6th most miserable country in the world according to the statisticians, and really this is something that is already knowledge to the average Nigerian anyway, with Nigerians now jumping off the Third Mainland Bridge when they feel they have come to the end of their tether. So yes, it is official. We are now the poverty capital of the world, as well as the 6th most miserable country in the world. No surprises there. What do you make of this? Let's have conversations around this in the comment section. But before we go have that conversation in the comment section, click on the red subscribe button so it goes gray, the bell button so you are notified as soon as I drop a new video. Once you've done both, come join me to talk statistics in the comment section. So I'll leave you here, meet you there, but now I'll say peace.